In this video, you'll learn how to trade crypto futures on the Binance mobile app. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to switch to the advanced futures mode and customize your trading tools effectively. Begin by opening the Binance application on your mobile device or visiting the Binance website. Sign into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu where you will find the option for the futures trading section. Ensure that your futures account is activated, as this is necessary for accessing the trading features. You should confirm that you are viewing the futures trading screen before proceeding to the next step. Next, locate the layout or interface toggle within the futures screen. This option is typically found at the top or bottom of your screen, depending on the version of the app. Select the option labeled Advanced or Pro View. If prompted, confirm your selection to switch modes. The interface will update immediately, and you will notice that additional charts and trading tools appear, providing a more detailed trading experience. After switching to the advanced futures interface, you can begin customizing your trading tools. Start by adjusting chart indicators and selecting the desired timeframes that suit your trading strategy. Pay close attention to the order book depth, as it provides crucial information about market liquidity. It is essential to set your leverage responsibly to manage your risk effectively. Familiarize yourself with the advanced order types available in this mode, as they can enhance your trading capabilities. Monitor your open positions closely to stay informed about your trades. This is important for making timely decisions and maximizing your trading potential. The advanced mode is designed to give you more control and insight, allowing you to react promptly to market changes. Take your time to explore the various features and tools that are now accessible to you. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.